Okay, so, we can label these equation 1 and equation 2, because there are two equations there. Okay, if we were to look at these, which equation says y equals? 2, so that's the one we're gonna circle. Okay, we're gonna circle that one. And it says y equals, so we're gonna draw it up to this other equation where the y is at, okay? And the arrows draw them, that way you have it, on there. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and write the top equation out. We're gonna say negative 3x minus 3, and instead of y now, we're gonna put what? What does y like to be called?
6x plus 8.
6x plus 8, okay? So 6x plus 8 equals negative 24. Okay, and after this, we kind of just start running through the steps. Okay, what needs done next? Distribute. Okay, so negative 3 times 6 and negative 3 times 8. So we're going to get 3x. What is negative 3 times 6? Negative 3 times 6. Negative 18x. Negative 3 times 8. Negative 24 equals negative 24. Okay, and then what needs done? Combine like terms. So we can combine, ooh, that sounds broke. Okay, negative 3 and the negative 18. What is negative 3 and negative 18 going to give you? Huh? We're just putting them together. What is negative 3 and the negative 18?
Negative, is it 15? How do you know that?
No, type it on your calculator. Negative 3 minus 18. Negative 21. So we got negative 21x minus 24 equals negative 24. Tomorrow, you two switch spots. So that way you're not writing with your elbows. I'm left-handed, so I hate when I sit like people at the table and they're right-handed, and I'm like, hey. Okay, well, now if we're looking at that line, who's the third wheel? Who needs moved, Layden? Layden's trying to add on paper of problems today, you guys.
I know it.
I'm just kidding. I was kidding. Who's the third wheel? The 24. Okay, so we're gonna add 24 on both sides. Okay, so I'm gonna get negative 21x equals 0. Okay, and then what needs done?
Divide by 21.
Divide by 21. Okay, what is 0 divided by negative 21?
0.
0. Okay, so we got x equals 0. Okay, so our x is solved. Now, I know those of you guys that were not here, you like, oh yay, we're done. We're not done.
We're not?
My camera's on. Okay, we are not done. Okay, what needs to happen next?
You gotta put this in it, point to these coordinates.
No, but what, we don't have the other one yet, so what needs done before that?
We gotta do that.
The y stuff.
Oh, you have to.
Yep, okay, so we're gonna draw from this one all the way up to this one to get the y. Okay, so we're gonna write that out. Y equals 6x plus 8. Okay, but now we know what our x is. What is our x? We already solved that part.
0.
0. So where the x is at, we're gonna put 0. And you can either erase your x or like write over it. Okay, but you do need the parentheses. Okay, and this part isn't that bad because you can type all that on your calculator. You can type in 6 parentheses 0 plus 8.
8.
You got 8? Okay. What's 8 though?
Y.
The 1. Okay, and now, yes, we do need to write it in a coordinate. Who comes first?
0.
The 0, okay, or the x, however you want, okay, so it goes x comma y, okay, so it's gonna be 0 comma 8 is our intersection point, that's our coordinate, okay, and now it's done. Can I scroll? Okay, look at number 3. We got equation 1, equation 2. Which one are we gonna circle?
2.
2, because that's the one that says y equals. So we're gonna circle and plug that into the other one up here. Okay, and so we're gonna write down equation 1, negative 7x minus 5, and instead of y, what does he go by now?
3x, negative 20.
3x, and then a negative 20 equals negative 10. Both in. Come on, right.
Why you yelling?
Because you slept yesterday, you don't need to sleep again today, and my other class only had to do 4 problems. Bro, wake your butt up. Okay, now what do we do? Distribute. So I'm gonna get negative 7x. What is negative 5 times 3? Negative 15. X. Negative 5 times a negative 20. A positive 100. Yep. Equals negative 10. Okay, and then what needs done? Combine. Okay, again, on the calculator, type in minus 7, minus 15. What is that going to give you? Minus 7, minus 15.
Negative 22.
Negative 22?
That's what I got.
Negative 22x plus 100 equals negative 10. Who's the third wheel?
100.
The 100. So we need to move that first. Okay, so we're going to say minus 100. So we got negative 22x equals negative 110. Okay, and then what needs done? Divide by negative 22.
I got 5.
5?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we know our x.
And you just go back.
Okay, and then we're going to carry this all the way up here, and we plug it into the y. Okay, so we get y equals 3x minus 20. However, we know the x. What is the x actually?
5.
5. So that means we can plug that in.
It's negative 12.
It's just a 5. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, I was talking about the answer.
Oh, I don't know. Okay, and then we can type that in. 3 parenthesis 5 close parenthesis minus 20.
Yeah, it's negative 5.
That's negative 5? Somebody agree with that?
It's negative 5.
Okay. Okay, and so then we need to write this as a coordinate, and how does that go?
20, comma 5. Oh, no, I'm sure the 5, comma negative 5.
5 comma negative 5.
I just saw this one.
No, you're fine. Okay,